Hello, everyone. This is Miss Danica, your guidance associate. Now, this is our first session for homeroom guidance, starting with Module 1. Our topic will be connecting with others. Can you repeat after me? Connecting with others. Okay, very good. Now, for our objectives, at the end of this module, you are expected to enumerate the rights, similarities, and differences of individuals. You are also expected to identify the importance of having others in the family, school, and community to demonstrate respect for individual differences, to maintain harmonious relationship, and lastly, to share positive experiences as a result of respecting individual differences. Now, are you all ready? Of course, yes. Now let's start with reading the poem. I want you to repeat every lines that I will read, okay? We All Need Love by the Jan Penwell Ducklan. Now, can you repeat the title? We All Need Love. Okay, very good. We children are all the same. We children are all the same. Very good. Boy or girl, rich or poor, big or small. Boy or girl, rich or poor, big or small. We're smart in our own way. We're smart in our own way. Big dreams we have, I say. Big dreams we have, I say. Very good. Now let's have the second part. Some are born to happy parents. Some are born to happy parents. Some others from home are away. Some others from home are away. We have different colors, but the same rights we have. Can you repeat? We have different colors, but the same rights we have. We want respect, and we all need love. Can you repeat? We want respect, and we all need love. Okay, very good, everyone. So, again, the title of the poem is We All Need Love. Now, I would like to ask you, do you need love? Of course, you need love. You need love from your parents, from your siblings, from your friends, even from your teachers. How about yourself? Do you love yourself? Yes or no? Of course, yes. You should answer yes. You have to love yourself, okay? Now, I have a question for you. What is the message of the poem? The message of the poem is that we are all equal. We all need love, and we all have the same rights. Every one of us have the same rights. Even if you are poor, even if you are rich, all of us have the same rights. We have the same rights that we must acquire. Do you agree? Of course. Now, how about in the second question? How are we different from others as presented in the poem? If you can still remember, the poem is about We All Need Love. The title is We All Need Love. Now, how are we different from others? We are different in colors, gender, and size of the body. There are big and small. There are boy or girl in gender and rich or poor in life status. But no matter how different we are from the others, we should still accept who we are. Okay? Do not be shy to show who you are. Just be true to yourself. Now, another question. How will you treat others who are different from you? Do you treat them badly? Do you push away those friends that are different from you? Yes or no? Of course, no. You have to. You have to love them. You have to treat each person fairly, respect one another, and accept everyone for who they are. Okay? You have to accept them for who they are. You have to love them even if they are different from you. Do you agree? Of course, yes. You really have to treat them with respect. You have to love your friends even if they are different from you. Like, for example, even if you have different bags, different skin colors, different when it comes to the height. There are tall friends and there are short friends. There are talkative friends and there are friends who are shy type. Do you still love them even if they are different from you? Of course, yes. Now, we have different rights to enjoy: the right to eat healthy food, wear clothes, live in a house, to be cured from sickness, and other basic needs. All of you have the right to eat food, but then these rights have responsibilities as well, or accompanied responsibilities. Your responsibility is to eat healthy food. Your responsibility is to wear clothes that are appropriate to the setting or location. Like, for example, if you are in the church, will you wear slippers? Of course, no. So it is your responsibility to wear clothes appropriately. You also have the responsibility to live in a house with clean environment. You should clean your house. Do you clean your house during weekend? Yes or no? I hope you do so. I hope you help your parents in cleaning your house. It is one way to spend time with them as well. Now, you also have responsibility to keep yourself healthy, to avoid sickness. Tell your parents if you are sick and then take medicine. Okay? Now, how about in the second slide? Another rights that you can enjoy is the right to be brought up in an atmosphere of morality and uprightness for the improvement and the strengthening of character. Basically, you have the right to religion, the right to be loved by your parents, and the right to choose between right and wrong. Now, what is your responsibility accompanied in this right? As children, your responsibility is to obey your parents, okay? And then choose to do good at all times, even if others cannot and even if others will not. You have to choose good action, good deeds. Why? It is for you as well. When you choose good over wrong things, you will be peaceful. Am I right? Of course. Now, let's proceed with the next slide. Another right that you can enjoy: the right to be in school and study to improve your skills and abilities. Now, do you enjoy this kind of right? Yes, because you are studying here right now at Don Bosco. You are learning and you are with your friends to learn more new skills and abilities. But then, what are your responsibilities as students? Your responsibilities possess, first of all, you have to study. To study, to listen to your teacher, to submit assignments on time, and of course, to attend classes. Am I right? Is that your responsibility as students? Of course, yes. Now, another one. Another right that you can enjoy is the right to play, be with friends, and do hobbies. Do you play during weekend? Yes or no? I hope you still have time to play because playing is also one way to be happy. Always choose to be happy. Be with your friends and do hobbies that will make you happy. But then, there is also responsibility when playing. What is that? Is there still a responsibility? Of course, yes. You are responsible in playing. Like, for example, you are riding a bike with your friends outside. You have to be responsible in playing outside. You must see to it that your environment is safe. It is far from the bicycles or the motorcycles that are crossing along the roads. Am I correct? Yes, you have to be responsible as well when playing to avoid harmful environment or harmful incidents. Okay? Now, lastly, another right you can enjoy is to have a safe environment free from harm that positively affect your behavior. It should be free from different harms. Like, for example, you should be safe in the place that you are currently in. It should be far from crimes, far from thieves. Okay? And then, your responsibility is to tell your parents, especially your elders, if you feel uncomfortable with the place. Okay? Always tell your parents in order for them to help you and in order for them to give solution to your problem. If you feel sad at the moment, if you feel mad at the moment, always tell your parents. Always tell your parents if you have problem because they will help you with that. They will help you in in your emotions. Okay? Now that we know the different duties and responsibilities as a children, this time, what are your responsibilities in the community? So one of your responsibilities in the community is to respect others and their belongings. Do you respect your friends, your classmates, and teachers? Of course, you should. You must. And then their belongings as well. Do not take the valuable things that are not yours. Okay? Always respect their belongings. Another one, what is one of your responsibilities in the community? Be there for others. You have to support your friend. If your friend feels down at the moment, you have to be there for your friend. And if your friend have problem, you have to be there for your friend. That is how you can support one another. Do you do that as a friend? Do you do that as a friend? Of course, you must have to. Another one, keep your surroundings clean. Do you keep your surroundings clean? Do you clean inside the classroom? Do you listen to your class advisors and then clean the room? Okay, very good. Now, if you do this in your responsibility in the community, you also have responsibility in each member of your family. The responsibility of each member of the family, first of all, to provide clean and decent home to its members. So not only your family members, but you as a child of your parent, you have to clean the house. Okay? Another one, you have to be there for your parents and listen and obey your parents. And then they will also do the same. Your parents must teach you life lessons. Are they teaching you what are the good things and what are the bad things? What are right? What are wrong? Of course, they must teach you life lessons. Another one, provide basic needs such as clothing, food, and water. Do your parents give you these basic needs? Do they give you clothing, food, and water? Of course, yes. That is why you are wearing clothes right now. You are wearing uniforms. That is why you are eating good foods right now, healthy foods to be exact. Okay, another one. What are the responsibilities of the school? We are done with the responsibilities of the others. Now, how about the responsibilities of the school? Our school have the responsibility to believe in yourself. So we want you to believe in yourself. That is why we have different activities provided for you to help you in excelling in one aspect to another. We also have the responsibility to make you independent. We have the responsibility to help you to learn, to learn from within yourself, not with the other people around you, not with the parents that are supporting you, but you have to learn independently. And lastly, the school has the responsibility to help you understand that everyone is unique. Every one of you is unique. You have different aspect from one another, but that's what makes you good and enough to stand out. Okay, so for our conclusion, everyone has specific roles and responsibilities as a member of the society. You have the roles, you have the duties, you have the responsibilities to obey and follow. And then your parents also have the responsibility as well as the school. I hope you have learned from our lesson today. And when preparing for writing in your worksheet, I want you to write your complete name and section at the upper right corner of the answer sheet. Okay? Now, I would like you to learn that this module helps you in order to have the solution core value of loving kindness. You have to be kind to your classmates, to your friends, to your family, and you have to also fulfill the responsibility. Okay, so now this is all for today. Have a great day, everyone.